Being a globally renowned MC has subjected me to be virtually transported to this beautiful wedding that I so wish I was there for. But due to an unexpected booking with the Sheikh, I'll have to do this from Dubai. Marhaba. Good evening, ladies, gents, single men, single ladies, please call Durga, and of course, the wedded to be. Let me start off by saying how stunning the two of you look. Lava, I'm not too sure, but Abhinav, total stunner, dude. Yeah, Ponga designer. Anyway, introducing you all to your host for tonight. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Shilpa, Lava's friend, and for those of you who do, I'll have my usual. After a glow facial and 5 sleepless nights, standing tall, handsome, bright, and of course energetic, please put your hands together for Shri 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 Durga Prasad. And of course, for the person who dethroned me and took my spot, and let me remind you, the only reason why he was picked by the selection panel was because of his sexy assets. Welcome AGR. And all the Naidu aunties in the house, these two are fresh out of the oven. Boys, you can take over now.
பா எப்போதான் வாயை மூடுவான்னு தெரிலடா இந்த மாமி.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and sorry for the delays. We had to wait for a couple of people. So I think there's a cake and stuff lined up for Abhi and Lava. So let's Lava and Snigdha for their birthday. Please can we welcome the birthday girls on the stage. So I think the crowd's going to be a very good crowd for us today. Please can you all sing happy birthday, please. Happy birthday, ladies.
Happy birthday to you once again. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of events planned for the evening. First off, I think everybody's got their whistles. We've given it to you for a reason. Please make hell a lot of noise, bring the house down. That's the intention. So, for today, we have a lot of dance performances by Lava's friends, Lava's family, Abhi's friends, Abhi's family, and everything. We've also got a lot of games with the guests. To begin with, you're already in a game. So, as soon as you enter the room, I think as kids, all of us have played this game called Simon Says. Yes, I'm sure all of you played. So, as soon as you enter this room, today we're playing a game called Abhi and Lava Says. So, anything they say or ask for, any wish or whim has to be carried out. Definitely. Okay, that's a strict rule. People who do not follow this rule will have to listen to what they will have to perform whatever they ask for again. You will not be allowed to go back home. Just a warning. So, I think you have to go here.
We also have a set of videos that'll leave you teary-eyed for the day. And we also have a bunch of games that you guys will enjoy. So, get ready for a thrilling evening of emotions, fun, and lots more.
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी आ अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिम्मे कोइन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैन दी पूरा
రాకాసే నువ్వే బయటేసే అట్టా దోపేస్తే
రారో రారో నా శివ కాసి అగ్గి రాజేసి సిగ్గు పెంచేస్తే టాపులేసి పోతే పోతే పోపో టాపులేసి పోతే పోతే పోపో
చెట్టు మీద మ్యాంగోలా నువ్వెంత చక్కగున్నావే
చాకులాంటి పిల్లాడే ఎంత షార్పుగున్నాడే
చాకొచ్చి మ్యాంగో కోస్తే టాపులేసిపోతే కన్నే కొట్టావంటే టాపులేసిపోతే ముద్దే పెట్టావంటే
టాపులేసి పోతే చెయ్యే పట్టాబట్టే టాపు టాపు టాపులేసి పోతే రో
I think the crowd's not responding to our dances properly. Can we please hear a good round of applause, please? For both the boys and the girls. Come on, we gave you whistles for a reason.
So right now we are going to start our first game, and it's called the Drink Relay. So Durga will give you the introduction about this game and the rules.
Okay.
I will get started.
Okay, so the drink relay is very similar to, I think at school, all of you have been to the athletics games. You have like a relay race wherein you pass the baton on to the next person who runs again. So Abhi and Lava, you'll have to come up with 5 people from each person's family. Actually, make it 6.
Yeah.
Make it 6. 6 person from each person's family. 6 people from each person's family, sorry. 2 people from, let's say, teenagers age group, 2 people between 20s to 30s, and 2 people who are older than 30. The game is very simple. All they have to do is, so if there's a line of people standing, for example, me and Arjun, I drink first, and that's when Arjun can start drinking. So what we're basically going to check is who can drink faster.
So you should be done with your drink before I start, right?
Exactly. Okay? So please, can you choose 6 people, please, from each family? Okay? If you win, so the question here is, can everybody hear this, please? So question by Lava's friend is, what do they get if they win? So whoever wins, whichever teams wins first, the first gift is given by Shrikala auntie. After you finish, you can go to her, she will give you some gift. All right? So, are we good to go? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so next up, we have a really sentimental video or a very teary-eyed video. Lava's friends from around the world would like to send us some wishes. So,
Mama Haina's getting married and I can't believe that. Hi Lava, congratulations on your wedding. I'm so happy for you. I wish you all the very best for your future. And also, happy birthday. I'm hoping this is the best one yet.
Hi Lavanya, congratulations. I'm so happy for you today. I'm really sorry I'm not there. I really wish I was there with you and Chinky today. I really miss being there on this special day of yours. I know from the time we were in school, we've always thought about all our marriages and how it would happen and our dream guy and all of that. I'm so happy you found Abhi. I know he's a great guy and he will really, really look after you very well. and I'm very happy for both of you. Cheers to a new beginning. I really love you loads. Lots of love, happiness, and wishes from my side and family. Love you. Take care.
I wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you've had an amazing day. I wish you and Abhinav have a long and happy married life together. Once again, congratulations on tying the knot. Love you loads.
Hey Lava, I find it so difficult to believe that you're getting married because every time I think of you, I only remember all the crazy times we've had in school, your obsession with Zaki, and the way you spoke in Hindi, and especially the way you said idhar aata hai, idhar jata hai. Those memories are still so fresh, and when the time you came to Manchester, all that is still so fresh in my head that I find it really difficult to believe you're getting married. But I'm so happy that you found someone as amazing as Abhinav. Abhinav, my message to you is good luck. She's quite hands on. She will keep you busy. You're never going to be bored for the rest of your life. Good luck, guys. Love you.
Hi Lavanya and Abhinav. Congratulations on your big day. I can't believe the day has actually finally come. Lavanya, I've known you for so long. You're like a little sister to me. So you can't even imagine how happy I am to see you get married. And oh, by the way, happy birthday. And wishing you both a long, happy married life. Love you. Bye.
Hi Lavanya, hi Abhinav. Congratulations to both of you. It's finally sinking in that you guys are actually getting married. Lavanya, you and I have known each other for 12, 13 years now, and you're practically like a sister to me. I can't even call you my best friend anymore. And I'm so happy to see how much you've grown as a person in these years and how mature you've become. And I've seen you change from the oily head, small girl with like 2 plaits and nerdy glasses, teeth sticking out, that little kid to the beautiful bride that you are today, and I'm just so happy for you. Abhinav, you're a great guy. Everything Lavanya has ever said she wanted in a guy and in a husband is exactly what you are. And please take great care of her, and I wish you guys a great future ahead and lots of happiness, lots of love from all of us. Lavanya, I'm sure this has been your best birthday till now, so enjoy your day completely and have a great future, and I love you guys so much.
Come on, Abhinav.
Congratulations! Happy birthday!
Hey Lavanya and Abhinav, first and foremost, congratulations. I am so damn happy for you guys that you're getting married. I can't believe Lavanya's getting married, it's still so unreal. I wish you guys all the very best, all the happiness and success and joy that life has to offer. And I really wish you well, and can't wait to see you guys, and good luck with everything. Hope you guys aren't freaking out with the wedding preparation. And I apologize for those sounds. I live close to the airport, so I'm really sorry if that was of any disturbance. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Have a fantastic time planning your wedding. Can't wait to be a part of the festivities. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Hi Lavanya and Abhinav. Congratulations on your wedding day. Wish you a brilliant future and happy birthday, Lava.
Into frozen waves where the past comes back to life. Fight fearful to selfish pain, it was worth it every time. Hold still right before we crash, cause we both know how it's the clock ticks till it breaks your glass, and I'll drown in you again. Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, don't know why. If all love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If all our ground and makes us forget all common sense. Don't speak as I try to leave, 'cause we both know what we choose. If you pull, then I'll push too deep and fall right back to you. 'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing endlessly, still fire, I don't know why. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my clarity? Why are you my clarity? Why are you my remedy? Why are you my clarity? Why are you my remedy?
Okay, after that really sentimental video, we're moving on. Next, we're having a series of dance performances by almost all the friends here, I think. I hope they're all ready. So, next is going to be 4 sequences of dances, and enjoy the show.
धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम
Another very good performance by the ladies again. So next up, we have a very special video lined up for Abhinav. It's another wishes video from all over the world, just for Abhinav. This is not so teary-eyed. It's going to be a little funny. So please be ready for it.
D-Day has come. You guys are gonna get married. Time seems like it's just on fast forward. Like, it doesn't seem too far away. It doesn't seem too long ago when today you guys are getting married. Congrats, guys. You guys made a really good couple. And Abhi, hats off to your perseverance and hard work, dude. So you finally got Lava, and here it is. The wedding has come. So having said all this, you know, I feel really bad that I'm not able to be there. I'm really sorry. Don't mistake me for this. I mean, I really did try, but, you know, I'm sorry I couldn't make it. So as a token of my love, you know, I just thought we'll paint the world's most painted object. We'll repaint it in congratulating you guys. And we did that. It was about 800 square foot of fence, and some really nice friends at Carnegie Mellon, Gokul, Meghna, Rohita, Thiru and Ashwin helped me out doing this. Thanks, guys. And I just thought I'll show you what it is. So you probably read what the message says. It's just some advice that I'm giving you, Abhi. It's probably going to be very useful for you in the coming years. Seriously, I tell you, I mean, I have more than one reason to feel bad that I'm not there. Probably the prime reason being nobody to give PKR a competition for his dance. Bye, PK. Bye, guys. All of you have fun. And congrats, Abhi. Congrats, Lava. Have a great married life. Bye.
Congratulations. I've known Abhi ever since school, and I've never ever seen him this happy. In fact, I don't know how many people know this, but he's had a huge thing for Lavanya even before he got to know her personally. And ever since he did meet her in person, it just got better. So I'm hoping this is going to get even better. And congrats for that. And Lavanya, happy birthday. I'm sure this is going to be an extra special one. So you guys have fun. Bye-bye.
Hi Abhi and Lavanya. Wish you both a happy married life. Unfortunately, உங்கள் கல்யாணத்துக்கு என்னால் இந்தியா வர முடியல. நான் இந்தியா வரும்போது கண்டிப்பாக உங்களை வந்து நான் பார்க்குறேன். அப்புறம் இந்த வீடியோவை நீங்கள் ஆகஸ்ட் 19 அன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே லாவண்யா.
Happy birthday Lavanya and congratulations Abhi and Lavanya. Wish you both a happy married life, a long and happy married life. God bless you both. Bye.
Hi Abhi, I wish you and Lavanya a very happy married life. May God bless you guys. Take care. See you soon.
Lava, wish you a happy married life. I'm very happy for you guys. Thanks for being such wonderful friends. And Abhi, don't leave your cars on reserve fuel anymore. Bye.
Hi Abhi and Lava. This is take 3 of this video. Congratulations on your big day. I'm really happy for you guys. You guys are perfect for each other. Wish you all the happiness in the world.
வாழ்க்கையில money can buy many houses but not a home. நாய் மாதிரி உழைக்கிறேன், கை நிறைய சம்பாதிக்கிறேன், ஆனா வீட்டுக்கு வந்தா என்ன பாக்குறேன்? An empty wall before you. அதே கல்யாணத்துக்கு பிறகு வீட்டுல உனக்காக ஒரு ஜீவன் காத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கா நினைக்கிறப்போ ஒரு ஜாய், ஒரு thrill, ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. காதலிக்கிறேன்னு தவிர கல்யாணத்தை பத்தி தீவிரமா நினைச்சு கூட பார்க்கல. கல்யாணம் இல்லாத காதல் நூல் இல்லாத காத்தாடி மாதிரி. உனக்கு சொந்தம் இல்ல, வாழ்க்கையில தொழில்ல மேல போனோம் ரஜினி. உன் வெயிட் என்ன? 140 பவுண்ட். என் வெயிட் 160 பவுண்ட். என்ன தூக்க முடியுமா? Why not? Contract? போதுமா? இன்னும் 10 நிமிஷம் தூக்கிட்டு இருக்கவா? போதும். இருக்கு. 160 பவுண்ட தூக்கிட்ட 140 பவுண்ட் தூக்க முடியுமா உன்னால? என்னடா ரஜினி, 160 பவுண்டியா தூக்கினேன், 140 பவுண்டியா தூக்க முடியாது. எடையை கொண்டு வா. எடையா? எடை எதுக்கு? உன் எடையை 140 பவுண்ட் தானே? உன்னையே கொஞ்சம் தூக்கிக்கோ. ஜஸ்ட் 1 மினிட். ஒரு பிடிப்பு இருந்தா அதை பிடிச்சுக்கிட்டு அப்படியே மேல போவேன். அதான்டா கண்ணா. டேய், அதான்டா வாழ்க்கையில மேல போறதுக்கு தேவையான ஒரு பிடிப்புக்கு பேர் தான் மேரேஜ்.
Now, Abhi's very close friend, Arjun Govind, has
a live message. So, I mean, it's all very sentimental stuff. Just have a great married life, enjoy it. It's a journey, live it, and congratulations, all the best.
Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. The couple's first official serenade. The waltz of a lifetime. I invite Abhi and Lava to bring their magic onto the stage.
Can we have your magic on stage, please?
எடியே எடியே எடியே
கட்டிக்கிடு முன்னே நம்ம ஒத்திக்கைய பார்க்கணுண்டி கத்துக்கடி மாமன் கிட்ட அத்தனையும் அத்துப்படி விட மாட்டேன் பொண்ணே நானே உன்னை பிச்சு தின்ன போறேன் மானே அடியே கட்டிக்கிடு முன்னே நம்ம ஒத்திக்கைய பார்க்கணுண்டி கத்துக்கடி மாமன் கிட்ட அத்தனையும் அத்துப்படி விட மாட்டேன் பொண்ணே நானே உன்னை பிச்சு தின்ன போறேன் மானே கண்ணேவன் கண்ணா ரெண்டு முள்ளே இல்லா ரோசா வெடி உன்னேவன் கண்ட காலே முகத்தை தான் தூண்டுதடி ஓடாத என் புள்ளி மானே நீ இல்ல என்ன வெம்பி போனே அச்சாரம் போட்ட பின்ன அசைக்கண்ண வெளியடி அத்தாவும் கோயிலுக்கு பூஜை பண்ண நானு ரெடி ஒஞ்ச நதி தேடித்தானே அடி ஓடி இங்கு வந்தேன் நானே
ஒதுங்கி போடா தள்ளி நான் உள்ளிருக்கும் கள்ளி என தொட்டு புட்டா அங்க இங்க அடிக்கிறிய சொல்லி அரசை கிள்ளி எங்கிட்ட வந்த வள விட நறுக்கிது பெண்ணு
கட்டிக்கிட 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 கட்டிக்கிட
Giving you royal treatment on your daily shopping is guaranteed.
You're my Nisa, mama, I'm your naughty mommy. Give me lifetime service warranty.
I'm a lawyer, husband, giving you royal treatment on your daily shopping is guaranteed.
You're my Nisa, mama, I'm your naughty mommy. Give me lifetime service warranty.
Donna, Donna, Donna.
நான் உன்னோடு கும்மி.
சீனு சீனு சீனு.
நீ தொட்டதெல்லாம் சீனு.
மானு மானு மானு.
நான் உன்னோடு caffeine.
கானு கானு கானு.
நீ பார்த்தாலே நான் gone.
குண்டான கண்ணால குத்தாம குத்தாத நீ ஒன்ன கண்டாலும் பத்தாதடி ரோஜா பூ தேகத்தால் ராஜா நான் சாஞ்சிட்ட முன்னே எங்கெத்து நிக்காதடி
உருகுதே உங்க நான்மை பார்த்து மயங்குதே இந்த பாவைதான் தவிக்கிறே எல்லை தாண்டி பார்க்க தடுக்குதே பெண் நானந்தான் உருகுதே மயங்குதே தவிக்கிறே தடுக்குதே பெண் நானம்.
Next up, we have a game called The Junk in the Trunk. So, to show how this is going to work, we're going to use Sharath Reddy as a demo. SV, could you just help him tie up the belt, please? Okay, so can I have everybody's attention, especially the wedded-to-be's attention? So this game is basically, there's going to be a guy or a lady or a gentleman who's going to be standing here. Basically, we've tied him up with a belt, and this has got a box behind with a couple of balls in it. So the competition is, we're going to load up this box with a couple of balls, and what's going to happen is we're going to play some music. So the person who can throw out the maximum number of balls within the time the music gets over is the winner. Okay? So, no, you have no choice. Sorry, you're stuck on stage. Can we have a small bit of music, please? All right?
Just so we're clear, I've never played this game before. I have a big feeling I'm going to embarrass myself, but please put up with this for like 10 seconds.
Okay. So, Sharath, try to get the ball out of the box. Jump, shake your ass. Come on, do something. You got only 2 balls out, dude. Yeah, one more. Okay, so now that everybody's understood the game, I think Abhi and Lava can choose another set of people, please. 5 more people. We need 5 from each side. All of you face the crowd. I mean, back to the crowd. Face the stage. There we have our 5th contender. He's back, please.
Dandanaka, naka, 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 dandanaka, naka. Dandanaka, naka, 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 dandanaka, naka.
Abhi got the right people on stage. So let's give a good round of applause to them. Next, Lava, you have to choose 5 people.
Shakira, I never really knew that she could dance like this.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie. Starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, the tension. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection.
Hey girl, I can see your body.
Done.
Okay.
Done, over.
So our winner is.
No, I didn't win.
Oh, who won? So who won? Ritik won.
Vimlan
Huh?
uncle. Ritik.
Ritik won it.
Ritik won it.
Okay, thank you, participants. The winner can collect his gift from Sudha Aunty. Sudha Aunty has the winner's gift. Okay, so next we have a very important segment that we planned for the evening. So we're going to have the parents of the couple to come up and say a good few words. So first, let's start off with Abhi's parents. Can I have Shrikal Aunty and Divakar Uncle on stage, please? Divakar Uncle.
Abhi, love, can you hear us? Little more louder. Abhi, love. It's very nice to see you here. I mean, a very matching couple. Going to my daughter, Lavanya, very soon from Friday. It's very nice of you. God bless you and have a nice future and happy married life. Thank you.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to bless both my son and my daughter-in-law, who is going to become my daughter in 2 days. I should be very proud of both of them. And yeah, Abhi made me a proud mother in his birth. And now he has given a beautiful daughter also. So I am really happy for both of them. And I bless you both. You should be happy. You should enjoy life. Have a happy and wonderful life. I bless you both. Bye.
Thanks for everyone for attending this Sangeet function. God bless you all.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Auntie. I now invite Sudha Auntie and Vimalan Uncle on the stage to talk a few words wishing the couple.
A very good evening, and I wish both Lavanya and Abhinav a very
louder.
A very happy married life, both of them. They'll have a very good future, very good happy married life. Thank you.
Just to wish her. Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for coming here. I wish them a very prosperous and a bright future. Abhinav is like my son, elder son. He's very silent. Of course, he's very silent. Not my son is little naughty, but elder son is very silent. My younger one is little naughty now. And I hope both of them be together for a long time and have a happy married life. Thank you.
So next, we're going to have a dance by the family, introducing Abhi's family and Lava's family on stage for the first time. Can we have all the dancers for the next song, please?
माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवडहिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग शर्माती घबराती वो पिया के घर इठलाती बल खाती वो सुरमई नैना छलकाती छलकाती वो पिया के घर भरमाती सकुचाती वो
Next is Lavanya's family. Come on, guys, another round of applause, please. More noise, come on.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है आहा बांधे हमें जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार ये जिंदगी यही है और यही जो भी कब तक बस आरज़ू आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी नए नए सपने जो बन सके उसी जिंदगी को कहो जिंदगी
Okay, that was a really good performance by the family. Next up, we have a really quick game. It's called the paper dance game. I think you guys might have been this game before, tried this game before. SV, can we have a paper, please? SV, paper. That paper. Okay, SV and Sharath will give us a demo of this. It's a really easy game. So this is only a couples only game, okay? So what happens is the paper is going to be spread like this, and we'll play the music for roughly 30 seconds. And when the music finishes for 30 seconds, they fold the paper and they have to dance again on that. And they continue doing this until the paper becomes really small, and the last person standing, of course, wins the game. Okay? So can we have him? Can we have him on the paper? Come on. Actually, dance. Come on.
I say I'm too late.
Only within the paper.
Got nothing in my brain.
Only within the paper.
That's what people say.
One leg. Okay. Stop. Now we fold the paper. Both the feet inside the paper, please. Okay.
That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say.
Okay, we fold the paper again. So there's both the feet within the paper, please. No. I think you have to hold. Okay, go. Go. Music, go, please. Thank you, guys. I think what you guys know what happens next when you fold the papers. So let's see what happens. Abhi and Lava, I think you guys can choose how many couples? Is there one more couple missing? Huh? Yeah, yeah. And the last couple for the evening is going to be Abhi and Lava on this paper here. He doesn't have a couple, is it? His wife is missing. Someone's wife is missing. Just kidding. Okay, should we choose another couple, please? Which couple is ready to dance?
Vishal and Aditi.
Okay, it looks like we're good to go. Can we have some music?
Wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too.
Okay, fold the paper, please.
Fold, guys.
Fold the paper. And we go like this. Okay, both legs within the paper, please. I think we're going to change the angle of that. Okay. Both the legs within the paper. Both. One. Correct. Okay. Okay, equally folded papers, and these girls are already cheating. Hold it carefully then. Okay, music.
Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band about that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on.
Please fold.
Okay, fold again, equally folded, please. Both the legs within the paper, please. Yes. I think some men have to carry the ladies. No, both the legs within the paper. Both legs, all legs. No, I can still see some out. See, they've got the technique. Yeah, of course. Okay. I think everybody is within the paper. I can't see inside there. Yeah. Within the paper, come on. Okay. All right. You can carry her if you want to. Please. Dance. Dance. You're not supposed to stand. Dance.
வாட்டி கியூட் பொண்டாட்டி நான் தாங்க மாட்டேன் தூங்க மாட்டேன் நீ இல்லாட்டி அடி வாட்டி ஹாட் பொண்டாட்டி நான் தாங்க மாட்டேன் தூங்க மாட்டேன் நீ இல்லாட்டி
Okay.
Fold, guys. Fold.
Fold again.
Yeah, fold.
Fold again. Okay, that means only 2 legs on the paper. That's when the competition starts. No, both legs within the paper.
Both feet well within the paper, please.
Dude, those girls. Yes, Abhinav's got it. Let's play the music slowly.
याद च तेरी मैं ता जागर रातां नूं रोक ना पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं ता जागर रातां नूं रोक ना पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
Okay, we have some really good competition here. But I think it's time for the next fold. Yeah, we still have to come down to 1. We can't go for the next fold.
Hello, I don't know whether you're planning to break their foot bones, and Abhinav will not be able to carry her into your first night room.
Yeah, very clearly, these two girls were disqualified in the first round. We just let them stay, just to add some spice here. But the obvious winners are the couple to be wedded. You won the game. Okay, so we're reaching almost the last leg of the event. And can I have your attention, please? Can we have your attention, please? So once a wise man said, nature has a way of breaking what that cannot be bended. So, and it turns out Swati and Vijay, our choreographers, our teachers.
Can we have a big round of applause for them,
Please, for them.
please?
Well, it turns out they did a really good job in shaping out this dance and the whole event. They did go to a lot of trouble trying to make me dance, especially. So we'd like to thank them. But upcoming is a very important video that I'll need everybody's attention for, because it's trying to show the huge effort that went into this dance. So let's see what happened. Can we have the lights, please?
I never use this Dandanaga. Anna, you are putting a brand for me, Dandanaga.
Dandanaga, naga, 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 dandanaga, naga. Dandanaga, naga, 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 dandanaga, naga. எங்க தல டியாரே சண்டிமண்டுல தார்மாரே மைதிலி காதிலி இன்னாரு அவர் உண்மையா லவ் பண்ண சொன்னாரு மச்சான் அங்க தாண்டா தல நின்னாரே டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா கொஞ்சோண்டு டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா சைட் அடிக்க ஆசமச்சி மேரேஜ் பண்ணனும் காதலிச்சி யாரு எவருன்னு தெரியாம லவ் பண்ணுண்டா மனசுல அறியாம லவ் பண்ணாதடா இது புரியாம டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா
English knowledge. Indian written constitution is versus the unwritten constitution of the British. Like that, if I want, I can talk in the platform at the Annamala University. அது வேற.
பார்த்தது ஒன்ன கேரக்கும் பொண்ண என்னைக்குமே மிஸ் பண்ணிடாத சூப்பர் லவ் மேட்டர் அத டீலில் விட்டுடாத சீதா சைடு அடிக்க ராமன் தெம்பாவில்ல ஒடிக்க அது நிஜமான காதல் நினைச்சது ரொம்ப நாளே நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா
Confidence. ஜோசியம் பேசணுமா குறிப்பாடி பத்தி பேசணுமா பாரப்பா பகலவனும் சனிசை பாம்பு ரெண்டும் பகர்கின்ற இக்கோள் கலாரில் இருக்க கூரப்பா குமரவனனை கண்டு கோடையத்தில் குளிகண்ட பசுவோடாவர்
மஜா மஜா என் லைஃப் மஜா கோமாலு கோயன் டைப் ஐப்பை வாழ்க்கை தேவையில்ல மாமா இன்னாடா இல்ல லோக்கலில் சாப்பா வல்தோண்டா சவுக்கார் பேட்டையில
எவன் இந்த பூமியில சுத்தரம் கிடைச்சிட டண்டனகா டனகனகா டண்டனகா டனகனகா டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா அது ஒரு கணக்கு டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா இது கிழியும் டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நகா டண்டனகா நகா 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 டண்டனகா நேருக்கு நேர் பதில் சொல்ற தமிழையா
Abhinav wants me to go first because he's trying to think of what to tell everybody. I'd just like to thank everybody who's here. My parents, my in-laws, who are my second parents, who's helped me put up a great show today. Otherwise, it would have been a little difficult. Right from altering my skirt today from the morning, my mother-in-laws helped me with everything. And my mom, of course. And uncle and my dad. And Abhinav, of course. He's the one who keeps me calm all the time. I'd like to thank all the family, both Abhinav's side and my side, who's taken off from their busy schedule and their vacation and everything else to be here, to be a part of this wedding. I'd like to thank my friends who's flown down, left their work for 2-3 days for me. It means a lot. And all my dad's friends who's flown from every part of the country and the world, Belgium, Spain, everywhere. Italy. And for all this and all the video, and it was all a last minute work, but they all really worked hard on it. And I'd like to thank Durga the most because he did the entire video. Without him, it would have been a little difficult for me. I would have gone bonkers. I would have gone mad for sure. And for everybody who's helped us coordinate for this entire Sangeet, I'm going to give it to Abhinav. I'm sure he's thought of what to tell now.
First of all, I'd like to thank my parents for giving birth to a very wonderful son. 2 actually. Okay, I'll go again. First of all, I'd like to thank my parents for giving birth to a wonderful son.
Okay, I don't know if auntie will agree though.
Two actually, the best being me.
Raghav's right at the back glaring.
Secondly, I'd like to thank Lavanya's parents for giving birth to a wonderful daughter.
And all the non-veg.
I'd like to thank one and all present here for attending the function, making this quite an quite a good event, I think. And my friends who's put together this entire show, Durga Prasad especially.
And also Shravan.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
yes.
Shravan. I'm sure you're watching the live stream right now.
Yes.
I actually cried. So it's very difficult to make me cry emotionally. So.
Yeah, thank you, Shravan.
And Shilpa, who's not here. I'm sure she's watching from Dubai as well. And Pragya, she's watching from New York, and everybody else.
And most of all, I'd like to thank Vijay and Swati for
choreographer.
Making us dance, making us get out of our seats and putting together this wonderful show. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I'm going to take Durga's place right now and give us a small message. We're going to do the finale. So once the finale is over, please loosen up. There's a bar right there. Have a couple of shots. Come join us. And let's end this night with a loud dance and whatnot. Let's break this floor, all right? Who's in with me? Awesome. Okay.
We'd like our choreographers, our tutors, our gurus, our dance gurus. Please. No, you have to dance with us for the Lungi dance. Okay. All of you for the Lungi dance, please on stage.
Diese Junge
King Khan. Yo, honey singer.
मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के All the Rajini fans don't miss the chance All the Rajini fans don't miss the chance Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance. Chadro jawani bada jor sive jalma. Ehta Rajni da fan sive jalma. Chadro jawani bada jor sive jalma. Ehta Rajni da fan sive jalma. डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा All the Rajini fans don't miss the chance All the Rajini fans don't miss the chance Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
Okay, the dance floor is open for everybody. Please join us.
பத்தி கேளுங்கடா பாய கொட்டி ஆடுங்கடா என்ன சுத்தி ஐயனாரு வெட்டு கத்தி பாட போறேன் என்ன பத்தி கேளுங்கடா பாய கொட்டி கட்டா கட்டி பொங்க வச்சா தாலியடா பொங்கலடா துள்ளிக்கிட்டு பொங்க வச்சா ஜல்லிக்கட்டு பொங்கலடா ஒரு அடி உதையும் கலந்து வச்சு விடிய விடிய கலந்து வச்சா போக்கிரி பொங்கல் இடுப்பு எலும்ப ஒடிச்சு வச்சு அடுக்கலாமே கடைய வச்சா போக்கிரி பொங்கல் ஆடுங்கடா என்ன சுத்தி ஐயனாரு வெட்டு கத்தி ஆட போறேன் என்ன பத்தி கேளுங்கடா பாய கொத்தி
Thank you. hustle, I got hustle,